Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. In the past few weeks, I know there's been a lot of hype about KDP, which is basically a print on demand service for notebooks, journals, and I guess you could also do, like, if you have written a book, you could actually, put your book on Amazon. I think it's a great opportunity because you could take your existing merch by Amazon designs and place on the covers and make journals, which are what they call no content or low content, meaning they're just like line journals, college ruled, wide ruled, music sheets, etc. We'll talk about that. Neil Lasson and his team from Merch Informer have created what they call Book Bolt, which is basically a sister version of Merch Informer for journals and notebooks. Included in it is a Book Bolt designer, which you could create your covers and whatnot. Today I'm gonna show you how to do that. I went ahead and took advantage of the lifetime subscription. I think it's crazy not to if I'm even considering doing KDP, which I've uploaded about 20 I think so far. And Neil's always bringing value to his customers, so I know this is going to be a great program. It's just going to continue to get better, so why not go ahead and jump on that opportunity and pay that one-time fee. When you go here, you'll have your account, Book Bolt Beta. In the top right corner, you'll see your name, and you can go Book Bolt Designer. I've already got a tab open, so I'm going to open that real quick. Once you launch that, you'll have cover or interior, and then trim size, which will be the size of your notebook. This is important because you need to determine this before you begin designing. Let's just say we're going to do, I think a popular size is like 6x9. I've done some for 8.5x11. Let's do 100 pages, and that would be a total of like 50 sheets front and back. And you could also, they have included download ready to use interiors, and they've just added a feature where you could create your own interiors, but we're going to look at the cover today. So we'll submit that. So once this opens, you have file, download, interior, designs, your name, undo, redo. Then you have product, which they should only have. That's what you created. So you have templates, which there's none as of yet. You got clip art. I think a lot of this stuff may be coming. You have text, images, bring in your own images or whatnot. You have these shapes. Drawing, you could freehand. Layers, effects, and then mask. Let's just talk real quick about this. So the right side is going to be your cover page. The left side will be the back of your book. And then once you load it to KDP, they will give you like a barcode that'll go in this area here. Now this is called your spine. And one thing you got to keep in mind when you upload to KDP, you have to have some sort of title. So let's just say that you did, like, for your you have a title and a subtitle. So you have to have some sort of, say you're doing like a monogram type looking design, like, or say you just have a C as for initial, you would put C as your title and then whatever it is like for your subtitle. So like, say you did one that was a C with like floral like patterns, you would say like floral pattern journal or diary for women who love gardening or something like that. So let's just take a look here, and this is called your bleed area. So you want to try to keep everything inside of this area here, this space here. Let's just make something fun here. We're gonna make a Pac-Man type thing. And obviously you wouldn't upload this to KDP. I'm just doing this just to have a little fun here. So let's first look at a shape, and we're gonna click that, and we could drag this around. So you have basically delete, rotate. This means duplicate, and this is to make it larger. And we're just gonna we're gonna stretch this across. Because what I want to do is I'm gonna put a yellow spine here and the yellow Pac-Man symbol here. So we're going to fill that up. We're just going to hit center horizontally, center vertically. Now we're going to come back over here. We're going to grab this. So we have it here. We're going to change the color. Let's make it like a yellow. Let's see. So you have these points here and we can stretch it. But remember, we want to keep it within this space here. So if I zoom in, we want it to fill just this spot here. But it's okay if it goes over this bleed area. So we want to make it come like right there. Okay. So now we're gonna grab this Pac-Man looking thing. I'm gonna make this. What I'm hoping they'll do, it'd be nice if you could snap to the center of just this area and snap to the center of just this area. So you're not having to like guesstimate or estimate like what's going on here. So we're just gonna do that. Let's go load more fonts. We're gonna try to find one that looks like a gamer type. So we're gonna use this font here. So once you get that how you like it, I'm just gonna call it My Gamer Journal. You gotta make sure you have some sort of title. If nothing else, journal. Once you have it like it, you'll make sure you click out of this. Then hit download. There you go. You have My Gamer Journal. Obviously don't use this. This is just an example. If you can, please hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell notification so you'll know when I post new videos. And please comment below if have you used BookBolt? Do you like it? If not, what are you currently using? Sign up for BookBolt. I think they have like a 3-day free trial or something like that. I'll try to put that in the description below. Thanks for watching.